Hey coffee lovers, so today we're gonna make some French press coffee in my new Cafe de Chateau coffee system here. Absolutely love it. Let's see how it works and what it looks like. First of all, it has a 3-part filtration system. This filtration system ensures that you keep all the grounds on the bottom and they don't wind up in your cups. It also has tempered glass, so you can ensure the glass isn't gonna break under the heat. I also love the design of the stainless steel, giving it a pretty cool look here. So just add your coffee depending on how much coffee you want to make. I like mine pretty heavy, so I added a little too much coffee even for that. You might want to add 2 to 3 spoons in the full canister here. You add the water, you add a little bit of the water, not all of it, and then stir it in to start the infusion of the coffee within itself. So after you stir it in a little bit, you are going to add the water to the level that you want it. Make sure you don't go too high so you have enough room for it to infuse and press down. After you do that, you are going to stir it together. Leave it for a few minutes in order for it to infuse. And after you've done that, you can press it down to pull all the grounds of the coffee down. Once you have pulled all the coffee down and it is ready to pour it into your favorite mug using your favorite coffee here. Add cream and sugar as you like and ready to enjoy. I think it is such a nice way to have coffee, and it just gives it a richer taste for me. And I love the way the Cafe de Chateau French press looks on the tray if you're having somebody over and having a great cup of coffee with them. Now, we all know that stainless steel loves fingerprints, so just grab it with something when you are making it or wipe it down before you're ready to serve it. But this is a beautiful machine.